Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this lesson, we are going to convert each of the following decimals into fractions. So this is repeating decimal. So we start by saying let x is equals to 0.3 repeating. And only one decimal is repeating here, which is 3333, because it will be 0.333. So 3 is only repeating. So we multiply both sides by 10x, which is equals 0, which is equals to 3.3 repeating decimal. Then this is our equation 1. This is our equation 2. So equation 2 minus equation 1. So it is 10x equals to 3.3 repeating minus x equals to 0.3 repeating. So here we subtract by elimination method. We get 0, get 3, get 9x. So 9x is equals to 3. We divide both sides by 9 by 9. Cancel here, simplify here, get 3. So x equals to 1 over 3 as a fraction. And same goes here. We just say two decimals are repeating, which is 0.838383. Two decimals are repeating. So let x equals to 0.83 repeating. Okay, then we multiply both sides by 100. So 100x is equals to 83.83 repeating decimal. So this is our equation 2. This is our equation 1. So equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay, equation 2 minus equation 1. So we are saying here, we are saying 100x equals to 83.83 repeating. X is equals to 0.83. Then we subtract by elimination method. Here we get 0, 0, we get 3, we get 8 equals to 99x. Here is a point. So after doing so, we divide both sides. So after doing so, we get 99x is equals to 83. We divide by 99 by 99. Cancel here and the other side. So by the end of the day, x is equals to 83 over 99. You solve this. Solve this.